Medical billing and coding errors cost you thousands. How to catch them? Most Americans don't know this, but according to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, over 100 million adults in the United States are carrying medical debt. And in many cases, that debt comes from billing and coding errors, not real charges. A recent analysis found that 4 out of 5 medical bills they reviewed contained at least one error. In the next few minutes, we'll show you how to catch the mistakes that could be adding hundreds or even thousands of dollars to your hospital bill. Why this matters? Medical debt is now so widespread that the CFPB estimates Americans owe about $220 billion in unpaid medical bills. AARP reports that patient advocates who review hospital bills find errors on the vast majority of invoices they examine. These mistakes include incorrect codes, duplicate charges, and items billed that were never provided. Learning to read your bill properly isn't just helpful. It can protect your family from serious financial harm. The errors in medical bills are easy to miss, but once you learn where they usually hide, you'll spot them instantly. No medical background required. Here's a simple example. Sarah visited the emergency room for a sprained ankle. Her initial bill was higher than she expected, so she requested an itemized invoice. She found a charge for a lab test she never received, and she noticed the emergency room visit was coded at a higher service level than what actually happened. After she pointed out those mistakes, her bill was significantly reduced. Her story is fictional here, but the types of errors she found are the same ones identified in real reports by patient advocates and reviewed by federal agencies. Step 1. Request the itemized bill. Start by requesting your itemized bill. The simple 2-page bill most hospitals send does not show procedure codes or supply charges. You need the full version that includes CPT codes, HCPCS codes, or DRG codes, the identifiers that show exactly what the hospital claims it provided. Step 2. Look for the 4 most common errors. Next, check for the most common problems documented by patient advocacy groups and billing analysts. Number 1. Duplicate charges. These often appear in medication lines, IV supplies, and lab tests. Number 2. Upcoding. This is when a service is billed at a higher level than what was actually performed. Federal watchdogs have repeatedly investigated cases where incorrect coding increased patient costs. Number 3. Charges for items not received. AARP reports this as one of the most frequently discovered errors when bills are reviewed. Number 4. Incorrect quantities. This includes billing for more units of a medication or supply than were provided. Step 3. Look up the codes. Take any CPT or HCPC code from your bill and search it online. These codes are standardized, and the description must match the service you received. If the code does not match what happened, that is a clear red flag. Step 4. Compare with your insurance EOB. Compare your bill to your explanation of benefits, or EOB. The EOB is not a bill. It is the insurance company's breakdown of what they believe the charges should be. Look for mismatches between the hospital's version and the insurer's version. These mismatches are often the source of incorrect patient balances. Step 5. Call the billing department. When you find an error, call the hospital billing department. Use calm, clear language, such as, "I reviewed my itemized bill and found coding inconsistencies. Can you please reprocess the claim and issue a corrected bill?" Billing officers handle errors frequently, and in many cases, they will adjust the charges after reviewing your documentation. Financial assistance programs. Many hospitals also offer financial assistance programs, including discounts for patients who cannot pay the full amount. Non-profit hospitals, in particular, are required to make these programs available, and the CFPB notes that many patients qualify without realizing it. Even if no errors are found, you may still be eligible for a reduction. Conclusion. One last point, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a professional for your specific situation. If this helped you understand your bill, share the video with someone who might be struggling with medical charges right now. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. It could help someone save real money.